Well, this is unusual. It's a half load deep rinse. I don't think it would do this. But look at that. Half load, not. This is very rare, it does this. It's on the synthetics. Only 33 minutes left. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, much appreciate it. I'm pretty happy with that water level. I do always prefer a torch on the videos as well. Oh, and I've got to tell you something very exciting. 4K content is coming to this channel. Not many YouTube channels do 4K content on washes, so definitely subscribe to this channel because the quality of these videos are going to be much higher soon. And I don't know whether to change the channel name as well to the Laundry Room 4K, but I think I'm going to change my banner, I think, if I can take a good photo. So yeah, I've got like a GoPro now, so yeah, 4K content is coming your way. I'm going to try and do a special announcement. Yeah, please do subscribe to the channel because 4K content is hopefully coming. If I can manage to get this camera up and running soon. I'm really excited to bring in the 4K content. Start doing advertisements about that every single video. So definitely subscribe to 4K content coming to this channel. I've not seen any washy videos on YouTube that do 4K, so I think I'm probably the only YouTube channel that will be doing 4K videos very soon. I'm really hoping that YouTube do let me do that. I'm hoping that the biology video would be big enough for YouTube. Pretty sure it could be. On my other channel, Meditation Cinema, I do like more focused 12-hour videos, so if I go over that, it won't hurt. So yeah, we're excited with that. 4K content coming to the channel. Lobster, I think I still use a torch, I'm not too sure, but it should be decent enough.